Should you contact an injury lawyer after your car accident? Most vehicle accidents for exigent portion of California person injured wonderful death claim while many accidents share similarly characters. Each one has a unique details and is investigated to ensure a complete financial recovery. For a minor accident is quite possible you don't need to a notary, however immediate or you don't need to hire a lawyer. Consultancy are always free. If you are troubled, use our contact form, give us a call and ask. The more cyber accidents, the more likely you are to benefit from the counseling of an experienced auto accident attorney accident and insurer may try to take advantages of victims who are not represented by an attorney experienced in California accident law. Insurance companies aren't business look out of best interest. It's make the victim serious academic will come out ahead is plainly that settlement without consulting lawyer. We are here to answer your question. If you think you need to lawyer, well, you why. If you don't think you need to lawyer, you have that to do. Either way, you have all the information you need to make your own decision. If you do end up hiring us as representative, there will no upfront fee or advance payment required. If you recover nothing, you can want nothing. We are here to get the best result possible, and we work on a contingency fee basis. GJEL has unparalleled expertise in handling car accident cases. We are won the thousands of automotive injury cases and boast success rate of every 99%. We are known throughout the state of California for expertise and other firms routinely refer their large and complex case to us. Here are two recent cases where successfully legaled out our client. A couple was near and ended by a large pickup truck while driving on 180. The woman, 52-old, was killed in the accident. The defendant argued that Homan's husband, who was driving at the time of accident, was largely responsible for the accident because he had been in the process of changing lanes when the rear-end collision took place. Jim Larson and the auto accident attorney at GJEL disposed all available witnesses, including the California Highway Patrol officer responsible for the investigation. The accident, thanks to a delayed investigation, GJEL was able to confirm that the husband was not involved in lynching at the time of collision and that the fault was solely that of the other driver. Using testimony of the husband's three adult children, GJEL was also able to show the loving relationship that each had within the accident victim. With the help of expertise, testimony, and physical advice, JGEIL established that it was the severity of the impact by the defendant's truck that generated the force of resulting in fatal accident. GJEL successfully recovered $1,070 after road accident. 6,500 Yuri DDD, a 16-year-old, was permanently injured in roll-out accident resulting from a collision with a mode of dirt that had been inadvertently left the middle of roadway by a Harvard construction company. The accident occurred on North Mine Road in Livermore when towed at once, and and review struck dirt mound and carried into a divider. His car rolled 3 times before coming a stop.